G'day, my name is Tomo and welcome back to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups. On this episode, we are talking about the rear wheel bearing cap available from Minisport. So what is this thing? Well, like I said, it's a rear wheel bearing cap. So essentially what this does is this sits over the rear wheel bearing and prevents any water, moisture, debris, anything getting in, but more importantly, the grease escaping out, running the bearings dry, overheating, and then seizing. So over time, these do become quite mushroomed because people hit them with hammers, and of course the hammers are generally harder than this, which then causes them to go concave and then become damaged. They're only worth a few dollars and a really easy thing to replace if you're doing any sort of maintenance on the rear of the classic Mini or Moke, and you do need to remove these. Upon removal of the vehicle in which I'm currently working on in a series on my channel, I did destroy the original ones getting them off, and these had only really been in the vehicle for the last 35 years and they'd never come off before. So it was a really good idea that when we pulled them off, we did replace them. Now, like I said, this does help keep debris out, but most importantly, keep the grease inside there. As you can see, there is no hole drilled in the middle of this. The best tip that I can give you is when you buy these, get yourself a little 1/4-inch drill bit and just drill a hole directly in the middle. The reason for that is when you push it on, any air pressure that's inside there is able to escape, and generally grease will come out through the middle. It's just a good indication to know that there's actually grease inside there. So when you do get these, make sure that you do drill a little hole in the middle of it. Doesn't need to be super big, but fairly small, like I said, like 1/4-inch, maybe even smaller if you can. Press it on and then away you go. It will be a snug fit, so you will have to use a little bit of force to get it on, and then generally a little bit of force to get it off as well, but there is a bit of technique, which I'm sure you can work out. If not, hit me up in the comment section below. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure you check out the full range at minisport.com.au, and we'll see you right here on another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.